Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud. To know how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of SoundCloud and you will enter. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again, and then you can then you can know how to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.